Hello everyone, in this video I will show you unboxing for my new laptop Asus 15.6 inches Full HD with the highest processor i7 Asus X515E from John Lewis with VGS camera, Full HD display, processor Intel Core i7. Now I will be unboxing. This is the charger. UK charger. And this is the laptop. Asus, Asus. It's very nice display. And this lightweight is less than 2 kilograms, 1 kilo and 800. And this is the specifications, some of the specifications. It's Asus X515, powerful performance, linked to my Asus, and less than 20 millimeter. USB ports and the charger on the left. And this is the processor, one of the highest processor, Intel Core i7 and Intel IRIS Xe graphics. And this is my old Asus I get rid. This is gaming laptop with i5, so I'm upgrading from gaming laptop to this one, which I prefer. Is to a faster processor. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Take care. Bye bye.